Hello, today I'm going to show you the use of has one value function in Power BI. So for this example, I have created a sample data set. So I'll be using this sample data set and show you how it can be used and how powerful it is. This is the sample data set. You can see in the column A, you have date of order, column B, you have customer, and C, number of orders. I'm going to use this small data set and show you with an example the use of has one value function. I have loaded this data into a matrix and I have the customer name in the rows and the values, that is number of orders in values. So let's see how we can use has one value filter. So let me quickly create one measure. Okay, new measure. And let me call this measure as an example equal to as one value. Okay. So I'm going to check if this customer has one value, okay, and I'll get the result as Boolean, true or false. So this is my customer, close the parenthesis and hit enter. And now if I add this to my values, you can see I'm getting either true or false. So wherever there is a customer has a value, I'm getting it as true. And you see the totals I'm getting as false. So how can I make this more powerful? So let me quickly modify this formula and then use a if condition. If has one value customer is true, then I want the sum of orders. If it is false, let me calculate the average. Let me use the average function, number of orders, close the parenthesis, hit enter. So combining this with logical function, you can modify your measures. Now you can see here, right? So if it has one value, you are getting the number of orders. But when it is false, you are getting an average of all these orders. So this is how it comes in handy if you want to modify your totals or you want to have the sum of all your data, but when it comes to totals, you want to use an average. This is one of the simplest way to use. There are other ways which I'll be showing it to you in the later videos. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Good day.